Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to register the second set of TPMS sensors to your car. This is LX470 2006. The process is pretty much the same for all Toyota and Lexus cars. Luckily this car comes with an option of, like, if you guys switch the tires from summer to winter and back to summer, you guys can just register all of your TPMS sensors, and whatever tires you guys install on your car, just go to the button over here and select that set. So right now my tires that are on the car, it's the main set, so I'm going to register the second set. And for the second set I already have these TPMS sensors, so let's do that in Techstream. I'm gonna open the Techstream over here. Select offline mode, select next, go to tire pressure monitor, click next. It says cannot register ID code second, so we need to register this second. Go to utility, ID registration, so these TPMS sensors have the ID written on the top of it. I wrote all those IDs on this piece of paper. Now you see the option of choose a tire set to register. So the main set is already registered, and I'm gonna go to the second set. Click next. Then next. So you guys will have 5 minutes to register all these numbers. If you guys pass that limit, you guys will time out and it won't register anything. So next. So it shows total tires 5. Okay, I don't have 5 tires, I have only 4 tires, so I'm gonna show you guys how to skip the 5th one. First one is 545, 545304D. Next, click in that blank space again. 54530CB. Next, 5453085. Next, 5453208. Next. So in next, we registered 4 registered tires 4, and we are gonna go on to the 5th one. I don't have a 5th TPMS sensor, and that is usually for the spare tire, so I'm just gonna type. If you guys count these numbers, these are altogether 7 numbers, so I'm just going to type 7 times in there. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then next. And it says ID registration complete. and then exit. So let's see data list. Go to data list. Not sure where is the second set values. First set is over here. These are the first sets, and the second set is let's see if I'm gonna press that button, if it's gonna change. This one. So now we are on the second set. You guys can see this. So if you press that button, you guys will see the second set, and all four has the correct IDs, and then the fifth one is just 00. Just a quick tip before you guys leave. So the main set that is registered, it will show you all the tire pressure values over here, and if I go, I'm gonna press that button while you guys look at the screen. So I'm on the second set now, and these immediately change. All these changed to the second set, and the tire inflation pressure over here is NA, not available. But if I go back to the main set, it's available. And these are $25 for all four. I bought it from AliExpress, and you guys don't really need to install it on the tires. You guys can just keep it with yourself and program it inside your car, and then go ahead and install it on the rim, and then mount the tires. All right guys, you guys have a nice one. Thank you.